Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make high-rise building with curved corner podium. First of all, we have to make the basic shape with using the rotate rectangle in here, and we can click from this origin, and we can drag to the another side around approximately around 70 meter, yes, and enter. Then we can set the depth of this podium around 40 meter and enter. Okay, then so this is about the basic shape of this podium, and maybe we can make the another large or another length. Again, we can lengthen this line or lengthen this plane to the another side around 30 meter and enter. Okay, then we can make the curve in every single corner in here using the 2-point arc. We can make the curve like this, or we can make the larger curve with the 2-point arc using these tools, and we can use the type master tool and click from this point to this point. Okay, then we can continue using 2-point arc, click from this position until this position. Okay, we can also make the another curve with using the type master tool first in here. Okay, approximately in here, and we can using the 2-point arc click from this position until this position. Okay, then we can get this plane, and we can click this surface, push pull around 1 meter, enter. We can triple click, right click, and make component, create. Okay, then we can select move, tap control, click from this position until this position. We can click this slab, select a move to above. Then we can type 4 meter for every single floor to floor, and we can select a move, tap control, place to this position. Then we can type x5 for example, like this. So this is about the podium, and we can make the another part of this building. We can make the high rise. Okay, now we can click this surface, we can click this slab, select a move, tap control, and place to this position, and we can right click and make unique for this top slab only. Then we can triple click and select this side with using top cursor until the down right bottom in here. Then we can select a move and move until this position, approximately like this. So the dimension for this tower it's around 43, and for the depth is around 40 meter, approximately like that. Then we can click this one and select a move, tap control, click this plane and place to this position, and then we can type x45 and enter. So this is the tower placement. So this is the tower proportion, this is the podium curve, and this is the curve high-rise tower anyway. And then don't forget to make the another variation. Maybe we can make the another variation. We can click for the several slab in here, and we can right click and make unique. Then we can triple click, we can select this position only, select move and place to this position approximately. So we can make the unique floor area in this position. This is the first rooftop, and this is the second rooftop. This is the first rooftop, and this is the second rooftop anyway. Okay, then now we can make the core building in here. We can using this slab, right click and make unique. Then we can triple click and offset it inside. Okay, we can offset it inside only maybe approximately 12 meter and enter. So this is for the core building, and click this surface and edit, copy, exit from the group, edit, paste in place, and just push it down. We can push it until the ground floor position like this. Okay, then now we can push it up around 6 meter approximately. Then we can triple click, make group. Okay, then now we can click this one and offset it inside around 1 meter, enter, and we can offset it inside again 150 millimeter and push it up around 3 meter. So this is for the safety, and then we can make the another elements. We can make the glazing system. Okay, we can click this one. We can right click and make unique. Then we can double click and offset it inside around 1 meter. Enter. Then we can click this one. Okay, then we can offset it inside around 50 millimeter. Enter. Then we can click this plane, edit, copy, exit from the group, and edit, paste in place, and we can push it down until this position. Okay, then okay, we can push it up until the top position in here. We can triple click, make group, and don't forget to assign the glazing with using material. You can use the blue material, and okay, we can click this one and offset it inside around 1 meter. Then click this one, offset it inside around 50 millimeter. We can edit, copy, exit from the group, and edit, paste in place. Then we can push it up until this position. Then we can triple click, make group, and assign with the blue glass materials. Okay, then now we can push it down until this position. Okay, we can push until this position, and now we can make the ground floor glazing. We can offset it also 1 meter. Enter. Then we can click this one, offset it inside around 50 millimeter, and edit, copy, exit from the group, edit, paste in place, and then we can push it down. Okay, then we can double click, make group, and assign the materials. So this is about the basic shape about the tower with the curved podium in here. Okay, so we can assign with the blue material, green material of this tree, and we can also make the another elements like a drop off area in here. We can make the long drop off, for example, like this. We can make group this one and select move and press Ctrl. Then we can just click this line and select move until this position to make a ramp, or we can make the more landed ramp in here, or sloping area. Okay, we can make the cylinder for the column placement in here. We can make component and select move, tap Ctrl, place to this position. Then we can type 9/ and enter. Okay, approximately just like this. Okay, then we can activate the shadow, and we can activate this style, and we can also place the several greenery in here in the front, and you can set up more about this one. Thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Okay, so you can add the text in the top of this facade or many more. Okay, this is for example. Okay, so you can enlarge this text. So you can place the name of this tower in here, or on the top like this, or you can place this in here. Okay, so and then you can assign again about the level of darkness of this tower, and you can animate. This is about the greenery rooftop in here. Okay, you can imagine about it. Thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.